So any doubts in that? That is what? Self. Okay. So shall we move on to the topics? Hello?
Yes, please.
Yeah, sure. So let me share my screen. So hope you are all clear with constructor concept. Okay. So now we are going to talk about OOPS concept. So in a OOPS concept, what is the very first thing we have seen? What is the very first topic we have seen? Just a quick go through.
Class.
Class, before class, what we have seen? Base one,
Object.
object. Object, and then followed by we have seen a class. You all know object, right? Object is nothing but something. So that is, it can be integer, float, function, etc. Okay. And in a class, what is object? It is instance of a class. That is a part of your class. It can be a methods and a variable. That's it. That is object. Okay. So any doubts in object? No, right? Okay. And you all know the class and now method. So that is what we are actually talking about in the method. So in last class we are talked about constructor, right? So in constructor, I told you we have two types of constructor. One is constructor with parameter, constructor without parameter. Okay. So I'll take this as an example. Okay. So here I kept my class object inside my class. I said it will consume certain memory. But when you keep the same thing in a constructor, it will construct during its runtime. I mean, during instantiation. So it will reduce your memory consumption. Okay. So this is how it is now constructor with parameter. So how to create constructor with sorry, how to create constructor first. So this is my class and I want to create a constructor. How to do that?
Init.
Init method. Okay. I'm supposed to say init method. Let's say pass. So if I say abc dot name, so this is I have created a constructor, but I didn't do anything. So if I say abc dot name, you will get it. And you all know this is not a constructor. Let's say we are not actually constructing, so it will obviously consume certain memory, right? Now I'm going to keep it inside my constructor method, that is init method. Okay, is that correct? Is that correct?
Not required. Why? Because we will
Pardon?
use at a runtime. It's not
I'm not,
required actually. We should
is it not
create at the
required?
runtime.
No, I said I want to create an object name while I'm instantiating. Okay, so previously I kept it in a direct inside direct kept like
Class.
it, so inside a class. Okay, and it will consume certain memory. But in case of constructor, so is that correct? I'm asking, is that correct?
Self dot.
Why self dot name?
While instantiation, it will create a name value and it will assign the payload value.
It will create a name where? Where do you want to create a name? If I do like that, will it work or not? If I wrote like this, will it raise any error or is that correct? Or what it means?
it won't raise any.
Pardon?
It won't raise any.
It won't?
Raise any error.
Okay, then what it is? Correct. It will never raise any error, but what it is? It is what?
It is just a the other variable. It will local variable. It will not
Exactly.
pass.
That's it. This is local variable. It has scope only inside my init, and we won't able to use it outside. Got it? So if I run it, what happened? So this will be instantiated, and local variable was created only inside a method. When I say hi, what happened? What will happen now? So I'm instantiating my class, and followed by I'm saying cls dot say hi. What happened? What happened? What will happen? So there won't be any problem with instantiation, right? So there won't be any problem with instantiation. Then what will happen?
It will print credo actually. Why? Because once local variable it will not see. It will go for
So
a.
I said
Other.
local variable has scope only inside function. How I get it here? Do we have any link in between?
Yeah, class is the link, right? In the class,
Class,
it is.
if it is, yeah, class is the link, but this is local, right?
Okay, okay. Yeah, got it. It's local to that particular.
Exactly. Then what happens? Anyone? Where we facing an issue? In which place we are going to face an issue? So this won't be any problem. This won't raise. Pardon?
Format self.name.
Self dot name. So what is the error?
Name is does not exist because
Name. Which
hmm,
name? Name is not exist. Then what is the error?
name error.
Name error.
But we are self dot, so it's an attribute error. There
Yes.
is no attribute.
Name. Yeah. Name is not object. It is an attribute, right?
Right.
Hmm.
So we are using it as an attribute. So it will raise attribute error. Understand? So what to do? I should say self dot. That's it. Sorry. Here it raises an error, right? Because I'm not kept my object inside a class, right? So this won't have a scope. abc.name won't have a scope. Now we'll say good morning, Karan. Got it? So we won't be able to use class name, class dot name, because
So, if it is print abc instantiation dot name means it will
yes,
return
exactly.
right?
Yes, it will. This one, right? Correct?
Yeah. Hmm, yeah.
Yes, it will. Got it?
Hmm.
So any doubts in this? So this is called constructor without parameter, because apart from self I never used any parameter, right? It's like a function without parameter. That's it. So I have created a constructor without any parameter. Self is a default one. Apart from self I never created anything. That is called constructor without parameter. Sorry, I made a mistake. Now we are going to talk about constructor with parameter. So how to write constructor with
Yeah,
parameter?
Mohit, now you mean to say that we can use, the self dot name actually anywhere in our, the class,
Okay.
in inside the class, right?
Yes. Inside a method.
Inside a method. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Yeah, yeah, got it. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Is that fine?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Correct. If I
Now,
create one more method,
yes.
say def equals to uh, something a dot self. Yeah, welcome dot self, and I can say return format self dot name, or self dot name somewhere. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, fine, got it.
So
Yes.
I'm going to say cls dot welcome. Okay, I will disable this and this. Okay, let's see. Got it?
Yeah, got it, got it. Yeah. Yeah,
We
got
can
it.
use anywhere else once you instantiate it,
Okay.
because that is the usage of scope object inside a class, right? If I kept
Right.
inside, kept outside, what happened? It is unwanted.
Correct.
Okay, so that's why anyway we are going to instantiate my class, so that's why I kept it inside. That's it. Okay,
Okay.
and now I'm going to write constructor with parameter. Okay, how to? So for constructor we need this method. That's fine. Now I want to create constructor with parameter. What to do? What is parameter? What is with parameter means? So I said this is an example for without parameter, means I'm not having any user defined parameters. Self is required, mandatory for class method, right? You all know that. Apart from self, we are not using any parameter. That's why it's called without parameter. Now we are going to talk about with parameter, means what to do?
Yeah. Self comma parameter.
Anything, right? That's it.
Yeah.
Cool. So it will start to react based on user input, right?
Right.
Now how to use that? So I want to instantiate. How to instantiate?
Yeah. Class equals to ABC. Inside ABC, you take some parameter attribute.
Inside ABC we have to pass what?
Sri Ram or some
What is that? Yeah, so I want to get technical answer, so because I want to grow up in that way, so you won't struggle it. So what you said was correct. We need to pass something, the values. What is exactly?
attribute.
No, if this is a parameter, means while you're calling what it is, while you're passing what it is.
It's parameter when we.
No,
Yeah, that is name.
it is parameter during definition. And
Argument.
attribute mean it will be like a dot. We are not using it.
Argument.
Argument. That's it. Okay, and we have to say we have to pass some arguments. Okay, and it will start reacting based on my custom define. So that's it. Say welcome. Got it? It will keep changing, depends on my inputs. So understand the concept of constructor with parameters. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So shall we move on to next topic? Or do you want me to repeat once again anyway? No? Is that fine? Clear with constructors? Any doubts?
We said the variable inside the constructor will remain for certain period, right?
Variable
It was
inside constructor.
whatever the methods,
Yes. Yes,
variable methods
yes.
we declare, and those will be remain for some time.
Yes.
So
Until
what is
using it. Yeah.
okay? Only once we use it. That's what you mean to say, correct?
No. It is not one time. It is
Yeah.
whenever you're using it. So say for example, what we say. So in order to create a class, I can use it whenever I want. So it will be there till my instance was exist. So name was there. Once I clear my instance, it will be the complete instance. Once the complete instance was deleted, it won't be there. So it will, what it will raise? It will raise name error. Instance is not there. So when I say it's a class, what happened? Now what will happen? So it is exist, and what will happen now? In this case, what?
Trigger that
Attribute.
Attribute error.